Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new inverter generator for you. This is the KS2000 IHS CO. So it does have carbon monoxide shut off. If it detects any kind of carbon monoxide, the generator will shut itself off. This is a dual fuel inverter generator, real quiet. This generator actually has a dB rating of 57. Let's take a closer look. You can see right here, actually super quiet technology, 57 dBs, CO monitor, eco mode, everything that you should expect and would expect from a high quality inverter generator. So this has 2000 watts starting and 1800 running. On propane, you'll have your 1800 starting and 1620 watt running on propane. All right, it does have a pure sine wave. Let's get this thing out of the box so we can take a closer look at it. Here's some more specs on this generator. It's good for sensitive equipment. That's your inverter, pure sine wave, dual fuel. Let's get a weight, 46 pounds. So it's not that heavy, 46 pounds. Anybody can carry that, put it in the back of a truck, especially if you're doing any kind of RVing. It is parallel capable, propane, and here's your pure sine wave again. What else can we see on the box? All right, guys, let's get it out of the box and see what we're working with. You got a little toolkit on top. Got your funnel. Get that out of the way. You got your regulator, propane regulator, and your manual. All right, we got it out of the box. The first thing it tells you is before you run this, you should run unleaded gas and 10W30 oil. So let's put some gas, let's get some oil, let's fire it up. Then we're gonna see if this thing can run a full-size refrigerator, and then we'll try it on the RV, see if it can run the AC on the RV in a later video. If we can squeeze it in this one, we will. That's your side right here. On the top, you have a little manual gas gauge, fuel, it says unleaded. Got your little spark plug access over here. Shut off valve, on and off. Manual choke, pull start. And this is your inlet for your propane right here. On the other side, you have your no tool access, just a screwdriver, and put your oil and we'll be able to start this thing up. On the back side, you have your spark arrestor. Clean that every once in a while and keep your generator running smooth. Let's take a look at the front. Got a few little LEDs up front, carbon monoxide, CO sensor failure, low oil alarm, overload alarm, and output indicator. Real nice compact generator. Let's get some oil. I want to see what it sounds like. I want to hear what it sounds like and see if it can power a full-size refrigerator. Alright guys, once you take that cover off, your oil is right here, your air filter is right here. Take that off. Get that. Some 10W30 in here. Alright guys, we got our oil. Let's put this back up here. Some gas. We can take our warning sticker off so we know that we have oil. On the top of the gas cap, make sure you turn this to on when you're running the generator or it will shut off when it becomes vacuum locked. So turn this to on. Alright guys, we got our oil, we got our gas, fuel on, choke, engine switch is on. Eco mode on. Wow. There you have it. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, get some time on it. Then we'll try the full-size refrigerator. After that, we'll see if it can power a RV AC with soft start. Let's plug this fridge in and see what happens. Okay, I plugged it in. I see that the generator boosts up a little bit. Let's see what it's pulling. Come over here. We got 123 volt, 60 hertz. That's your amps right here. The fridge has power, but it's gonna take a while before it starts the compressor. Let it do its thing. Alright guys, there you have it. I put a gauge on there, so put a meter. Real quiet. Started the fridge with no problem. Freezer's on. So you can run a full-size fridge with this generator. Started up about 1200 and running about 700 and something. Real quiet when it's running the fridge too. Absolutely no stress. On eco mode. So that's pretty cool. Now we'll try the RV AC. Alright guys, so I got the KS2000 attached to the RV, and since it just has the 120 volt plugs, I'm going to show you the adapter I'm using. So this adapter comes to my extension cord and goes right into the 50 amp plug. So it's basically just an adapter that goes into the 50 amp plug, and I connect it to an extension. Alright, let's fire this thing up so we can get some power to the RV. We're going to try the microwave and the AC. We know it will run a full-size refrigerator, so we don't have to test the refrigerator in here, but at least the AC. And you have a generator like this, you know, 2000 watts, 1800 running. You pull over the side of the road somewhere, or you're just camping, you can use at least one AC or cook something on the microwave. And this is very easy to just store in one of these and carry it around with no problem. All right, this is a dual fuel, so you should be able to run it off gas or propane. It should do the same thing. So we got our switch, engine switch on, gas, and give it a quick pull. Real quiet. I forgot my dB meter, but we'll do a dB test another day. But as you can tell, it's definitely in the 50s, probably like 59 dBs. I will get an official dB test later on. This is a small meter. I should have it on my website so you guys can check out this meter. Let's get inside the RV. Let's turn the AC. Okay guys, inside the RV. First thing I'm going to do is try the microwave. Let's do a minute. For those of you who want to know, I do have water inside the microwave. 1 minute. Oh, the microwave overloaded the generator. So let's try the AC, see if it can run the AC. I do have a big convection microwave. It pulls almost 1,000 900 watts. So that overloaded. Okay, so it did overload with the microwave with eco mode on and off. I tried both ways. Now let's try the AC and see if this is okay for the AC. Let's do the AC unit. Alright guys, with the AC, I have a 13.5 AC unit, no problem for this generator. So you should be able to cool down your RV and stay cool with the 2000 watt. It's cooling right about 10.9 amps, 1271 watts. At 120 volts. Alright, so it is running the AC, absolutely no problem. The microwave, this microwave is real big, so it couldn't do that. But this one, I think the AC, refrigerator, TVs shouldn't have a problem. You can see the AC is running in the back. So it's perfect, small generator, inverter generator, if you just want to cool yourself down if you park somewhere. Alright, let's turn the AC off. Alright, there you have it guys, the KS2000. I think this is a perfect small generator for if you're looking for something so you can just power like a refrigerator or one AC. There you have it guys, check this one out. I should be carrying this in the store. Once I get it available, I will post it for you on Generator Superstore. So check this one out. This is the KS2000 IHS. Available soon. Guys, thanks for watching the channel. If you like this kind of videos, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.